The brave little sparrow. Once upon a time, in a beautiful green forest, there lived a little sparrow named Mimi. Mimi was the smallest bird in her family. She had soft brown feathers, shiny black eyes, and a tiny beak. Even though she was small, she had a very big heart. She always dreamt of doing something great, something brave, something that would make everyone proud. But there was one small problem. Mimi was scared of flying high. Every day she watched other sparrows fly far across the forest. They flew over rivers, big trees, and tall hills. But Mimi could fly only a little, just from one branch to another. She felt sad. She wished she could fly like everyone else. One morning, as the sun began to rise, Mimi sat on a branch and sighed. "I want to fly high like others," she whispered. "But I am afraid. What if I fall? What if I get hurt?" Her mother heard her and sat beside her. "Mimi," she said kindly, "being brave does not mean you are not afraid. Being brave means you try, even when you are scared." Mimi thought about her mother's words all day. A new friend. That afternoon, while Mimi was hopping on the ground to find seeds, she met a tiny ant named Toto. Toto was carrying a big piece of food on his back. He looked tired but determined. "Wow, Toto, that piece is so big. Aren't you scared you will fall?" Mimi asked. Toto smiled. "Yes, I might fall. But if I don't try, I will never take it home." We ants believe, one small step every day makes us strong. Mimi felt inspired. If such a tiny ant could try, maybe she could too. The storm arrives. By evening, dark clouds gathered over the forest. The wind became strong. All birds returned to their nests. Rain began to fall heavily. Mimi and her family stayed safely in their nest. But suddenly, they heard frightened voices. "Help! Help!" someone cried. Mimi looked out. It was Lulu, a baby squirrel. He had slipped from his tree because of the strong wind and was now stuck on a small bush below. The bush was shaking dangerously. If Lulu fell, he could get hurt badly. All the animals looked worried. The branch Lulu was on was too thin for big birds. Only a small bird could reach him. But small birds were scared. And Mimi was the smallest of all. Mimi's heart began to beat fast. She was scared too. What if she fell? What if the wind pushed her away? But then she thought about Toto, the brave ant. She remembered her mother's words. Being brave means you try, even when you are scared. Mimi took a deep breath. "I will go," she said softly. Her parents looked surprised. "Are you sure, Mimi?" her father asked. "Yes," Mimi said. "Lulu needs help. I want to try." Mimi tries to fly high. The wind was strong, but Mimi spread her tiny wings. She flapped them slowly, then faster. Up she went, first a little, then a little more. The trees swayed. The rain hit her wings. The wind pushed her aside. But Mimi kept going. "I can do it," she told herself. One small step, one small flap. Soon she reached the bush where Lulu was crying. "Don't worry, Lulu," Mimi said gently. "Hold my back." Lulu climbed carefully onto Mimi's back. She was small, but her heart was strong. Now Mimi had to fly back. This time the wind was even stronger. Mimi felt scared again. "What if I fall?" she thought. But she didn't stop. "I must keep trying," she whispered. "Lulu needs me. She flapped her wings as hard as she could. Slowly, slowly, she rose higher and higher. All the animals watched with wide eyes. She can do it, the rabbits said. She is so brave, the parrots cheered. Finally, Mimi reached a low branch of a tree and helped Lulu climb to safety. Everyone clapped and cheered loudly. Mimi saved Lulu. Mimi is the bravest sparrow. Mimi felt happy. She had done something big. She had done something brave. A new beginning. The next morning, the storm had passed. The sun shone brightly. Birds chirped happily. Mimi sat on her branch. She looked at the sky. It seemed less scary now. Her mother hugged her. I am proud of you, Mimi. You were brave. Mimi smiled. I was scared, but I still tried. And now, I think I can fly a little higher. She spread her wings again. This time she flew farther than ever before, over bushes, over small trees, even over a big rock. Other sparrows watched her with surprise. Look at Mimi. She is flying so well. She is not scared anymore. Mimi felt proud. She knew she still had a lot to learn. She knew she still had to practice. But she also knew something very important. Trying makes you stronger. A lesson for everyone. From that day, whenever someone in the forest felt scared, they remembered Mimi. The baby rabbits said, if Mimi can try, we can too. The monkeys said, we should not give up. The ant Toto said, Mimi proved that small bodies can have big courage. And Mimi became a hero in the forest, not because she was the fastest or the biggest, but because she did not give up, even when she was afraid. Moral of the story: bravery means trying, even when you feel scared. If you keep trying, you will become stronger every day.